Hello, my name is Regina Röke from Cornelsen Experimenta, and today I would like to show you the usefulness of class sets in your natural science class. Why should we actually experiment? Well, a wise man once said, if I tell you something, you'll probably forget. If I show you something, you might remember. But if you do it yourself, you will definitely understand. Simple as that. Experiments in your natural science class is a high motivation level guaranteed for your natural science class. And there are certain challenges that you might have to overcome before you start the experiment. And one challenge is that you need an experimental room for your experiments. An experimental room means that you have air conditioning, that you have electricity, that you have a certain table where you can put the experimental elements. And with the class sets that we offer to you, that is not necessary. Because have a look. You have actually the battery set and everything included. So you can start using a laser, for example, instantly. Just connect it to the laser and then you can have a look at the LED and at the laser. For sure, you also have electricity included, so if you have an experimental room, that is great and you can do that. But with this stuff, you do not actually need an experimental room because you have everything in one set. Another challenge that you might have to overcome is limited space. Meaning, for experiments, you certainly need all elements in order to succeed, to make a great experiment. And you need material that has an overview and that is all in one. What you normally can use are these boxes, which we also offer to you, so-called student kits. A student kit means that you have one box for one group. A class set, though, means that you have one case for 6 groups. And as you can see, you have 6 identical materials for 6 groups. So 6 groups, meaning 12 students, can start experimenting instantly. And what you need is only this case. You can put it together, close the lid, and as you can see in the picture, it doesn't take as much room as 6 of those cases. And that's what we offer to you. An overview all in one case. The third challenge that you have is limited time. Everybody has, unfortunately nowadays, though you as a teacher, you need high preparation time for your experiments. And we want you to start instantly, being able to have an overview of the topics that are included in one class set. Meaning, any class set student kit we have is the teacher's manual included, where you have the overview of the topics that are being dealt with this, and you always have an overview of the content that is in here, as you can see on this picture as well. And for sure, for preparation, you have all the elements of each experiment being described in detail in the teacher's manual. Though, to make it complete, you for sure also have the worksheet that you can hand out to your students and adapt it to the level, to the teaching, learning level of your students. Meaning, with the class set that we offer to you, you can start the lesson instantly. Because also one thing you know is, if something's missing, you see that instantly. And in order to hand the experiments over to another teacher who wants to use experiments in his natural science lesson, you know that it is complete if you just have at one glance everything in one overview. Thank you very much for your attention.